In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and connect Printify to your Shopify store. By the end, you'll have Printify added to your Shopify setup and ready to use without any confusion. We're starting directly from Shopify and moving step by step to make the connection clean and secure. First, make sure you're signed in to the Shopify admin for the store you want to connect. If you manage multiple stores, double-check you're in the correct one. From the Shopify dashboard, head to the App Marketplace. You can do this by opening the Apps section in your admin and selecting the option to visit the Shopify App Store. This takes you to the official catalog of apps that integrate with Shopify, which helps keep everything trustworthy and compatible. Once you're in the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to type in Printify. Look for the official Printify listing. It should clearly show the app name, the developer, a recognizable logo, and plenty of reviews. Open that listing to see the details page, where you can quickly confirm what the app does and the permissions it requires. On the Printify app page, click the button labeled Add App or Install App. The label can vary slightly, but both lead to the same installation flow. Shopify will show you an authorization screen summarizing the permissions Printify needs to function, such as connecting products and syncing orders. It's a good idea to skim through these so you understand how the integration works. When you're ready, proceed, and you'll see a pop-up or redirect that continues the installation. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the install can complete. In the pop-up, click Install to add the Printify app to your store. Shopify will process the request and link your store to Printify. Right after that, you'll be prompted to log into your existing Printify account. Enter your login information to complete the connection. This step securely verifies that the Printify account you already use is the one that should sync with this Shopify store. That's it for the setup. If everything went smoothly, you'll see confirmation that Printify is connected, and the app will appear in your Shopify apps list. If you run into any issues, make sure you're using an account with permission to install apps, that you're signed into the correct store, and that your browser isn't blocking the install flow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Shopify and Printify workflow.